Bonjour, it's Valentine. You need to get ready and look fabulous for your date. Laetitia, I'm going to do something today on her, like something you can do straight at home, like you're going to spend like 10 minutes, you don't have to wash your hair again, just to look like a very clean, very useful, and very chic. I'm going to brush her hair back with almost like a very nice like middle part. Keep just a few pieces very soft around your face. Now you do a very low ponytail. And you play with it. You do like maybe like a few braids, something simple. Kind of like messy braid, just enough to give you the texture and to add a little bit more like an edgy look, just like a simple ponytail. You can do 2 or 3, you can do a smaller one. You can be creative, you can do fishnet, anything you want. I just like something nice because I'm going to turn it like a bun after. Then you open the braid a little bit to make it more, a little bit more texture, more messy, you know. I like to create the flyaway like this, it's nice. Use a little bit of finishing texture spray. Then you just wrap it around. You see something very simple like this, but keep the flyaways, very important. Then I'm gonna add like a ribbon. Go beyond your ears, like this. You secure it the time you do the knot in the back. Don't forget to remove this. You don't want to go to your date with like clips in your head. Stand up, please. Okay, turn around. And like this. This is very pretty, very simple, very chic, but still fresh and young and sexy. Happy Valentine.